Did you know that the only way to completely eliminate harmful bacteria in Italian sausage, broth, beef, or chicken is by cooking them to an internal temperature of 160 degrees Fahrenheit? And if you're going for that perfect baked potato, light, fluffy, and never undercooked, you'll want the inside temperature to be between 200 and 210 degrees Fahrenheit. Let's take a close look at this Thermomonster digital thermometer. It's handy for checking the temperature of just about anything you're cooking: steaks, hamburgers, chicken, fish, turkey, or any other food that happens to be on the menu. You can easily switch between Fahrenheit and Celsius with the button that's on the back. There's also a lock button on the top, which comes in handy when you can't easily see the display. It holds the temperature reading long enough for you to check it comfortably. It even comes with the battery pre-installed, and there's a gasket inside the battery compartment that keeps it waterproof. This thermometer feels solid, well-made, and dependable, and after using it, I have no hesitation recommending it. Thanks for watching.